again me with another super quick unboxing. Let's dig in. And today we've got tridentZ RGB with CL14, 1414, 34 to 8 gigs of RAM with a clock speed of 3000 megahertz. Wow, that's an aluminum, nice touch. Both sides aluminum. This is an RGB strip. Very nice. This is a little bit flimsy, but if you can hear the sound, it's a little bit weird, but let's see if the other one is like that. Yes, but I'm guessing that's how it's made. And that's it for a super quick unboxing.